moved up a little bit there. And here she is, waking up. Red Jeanette, hard working.
Just us doing our thing.
Hard work.
Start doing our thing, right, honey? Hi, Mikey. This is March 20th, 1979. And Mikey's going after Bandit. And there goes. Here's Mikey playing with his little pet, putting things in it. This is February 22nd, and we're at Glenda's house, and we're with Richie. Richie! Come on, say hi, Richie. And here's Glenda running for the kids. Now we have the three little devils. Hi, Jennifer. You want to say something? Hi. Hi, Annie. Hi, Annie. Here's Glenda stirring her tea. Hi, Glenda. Oh, Mikey, Richie. There they are. Hi. There's Mikey. He's going to walk away and explore. Boom, down he goes.
My sunshine, yeah, I am his sunshine. He makes me happy when the skies are gray. Now I'll feel my son loves you. I believe that you take my sunshine away. Up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his glass, and Joe